That you are in fact tracking. Now viewers, shifting our focus to another significant developments that we are tracking. In a significant step reinforcing defense and diplomatic ties, the Maldives National Defense Force Coast Guard ship Hurawi arrived at Mumbai's naval dockyard for a scheduled refit. The Hurawi's journey from Malé was escorted by the Indian naval ship Talwar. The refit is estimated to cost over 4 million that will be financed by the Government of India. The decision was announced during the recent visit of Maldivian President to India. All right, viewers, joining me live on the broadcast to share more details is my colleague Mehndi Garg. Mehndi, now the refit of the Maldivian diplomatic ties and Maldivian National Defense Force Coast Guard Hurawi has arrived in Mumbai, and this is in fact going to strengthen more the India-Maldives ties in the view of the diplomatic relationships as well. What are the latest that you're tracking?
Well, yes, rightly said, because it is very important for the diplomatic relations of India and Maldives, because, this development will affect the relations between both the countries. As you know, the Maldives, the National Defense Force Coast Guard ship Hurawi has arrived at Mumbai's naval dockyard for a scheduled refit. And also, the Hurawi's journey from Mail was escorted by the Indian naval ship Talwar. And also, it has been said that the refit is estimated to cost around $4 million, which will be financed by the Government of India, and also underlining the India's commitment to supporting its maritime neighbors. And also, this decision was announced during the recent visit of Maldivian President Muizu to India after October 6th and 10th. And also, this initiative, underscores the deep-rooted friendship and also multi-dimensional defense cooperation between both the countries, and India's support for the refit of CGS Hurawi is seen as a part of its neighborhood first policy, and also according to the broader vision SAGAR, which stands for security and growth for all in the region. And this policy aims to strengthen regional security and also development through strategic partnerships. And also, this refit will upgrade to the Hurawi as expected to boost the operational capabilities of the Maldivian Coast Guard, enhancing the Maldives' maritime security infrastructure. And apart from that, this collaboration will also reflect India's dedication to capacity building in the Maldives and further its role as a key partner in the region. And notably, talking about Muizu, who on October 20th has decided to take the necessary steps to, introduce the unified payment interface as in the UPI in the island nation, following the recommendation of the cabinet. And apart from that, this move also comes following India agreeing to share its expertise in the implementation of digital and also the financial services. And, to work in the development of the digital public infrastructure through the launch of India's UPI and also unique digital identity. Apart from that, during Muizu's state visit earlier this month. So yes, these are the latest that we are tracking right now regarding India and Maldives diplomatic relations. Yes, over to you.
All right, Mehndi, thank you for adding these details. I request you to kindly stay on with me on the broadcast after we get more significant developments from